Welcome to this ClickLearn demo. My name is Lars Heinrich and I'm the training manager of ClickLearn. I'd like to take you through all the nice features of ClickLearn. I'd like to show you what ClickLearn can do for the end user. So now I'm going to show you the result seen from the end user side. Here I've created a learning portal, just an example of a learning portal. And there are of course some business areas in here, and I'd like to go into accounts payable and see what do I have here. I only have one recording here, but never mind that. I'd like to show you what this recording can hold. And here I'd like to remind you the only thing that I've done in order to achieve this is simply to go through the process in the system, record this with ClickLearn, and once I have this recorded, I'll simply just click on produce. The first thing I'm looking at here is the HTML file of the written documentation. ClickLearn has cropped each and every image for me, put in all the highlighted areas, and put in all the sentences for me. I haven't done anything else to achieve this. The HTML file I'm looking at right now is part of the written documentation. ClickLearn also creates this as a PDF, as a Word document, and as PowerPoint slides as well. I'm going to click into the PowerPoints just to show you this. And there we go. In the PowerPoint slides, I'll have the full images, not the cropped images. I'll have the same highlighted areas in each image and also the same text beneath each of the slides. So these can be used in cases where I need to blow this up on the big screen, an example for classroom training. Without me doing anything else, I'll also have 3 different levels of video: the show me and the try me and the test me. These are all HTML format. Let's have a look at the show me first. Everything is auto-narrated, everything is subtitled, everything is perfectly aligned, no fumbling around with the mouse whatsoever.
Objective. Use the guide to validate a vendor's information. Click on the navigation button. Click on the navigation module link Accounts Payable. Click on the navigation item link All Vendors. Click on the link in the grid cell, Vendor Account on any row. Click on the field Vendor Account.
So that was the show me video. In the try me, I'm able to walk through the process myself. So the try me is a simulation where I need to interact. The same process, but for me it might be easier to learn by actually going through the process. So let's have a look at the try me. Starting it up.
Objective. Use the guide to validate a vendor's information. Click on the navigation button.
So now I need to interact with the simulation in order to progress through this process.
Click on the navigation module link Accounts Payable.
The try me can be compared to a sandbox system, but instead of me needing to set up the system for my end users and set up data, maintain data in the system and so on, I can simply just provide my end users with this try me video. They can walk through the try me video as many times as they like, 24/7, and wherever they might need to be learning. We all learn differently. Some learn best by going through the written documentation, some learn best by watching a video, and some learn best by trying the process out themselves. However I want to learn, once I'm done and think I am able to go through a process, I can use the test me to test my abilities. The test me is a simulation tool, like the try me, but this time it will not show me where to do the actions. So now I need to remember where to do the actions.
Objective.
I'll still get the conceptual information.
Use the guide to validate a vendor's information. Click on the navigation button.
So now I need to remember where to do the actions.
Click on the navigation module link Accounts Payable.
In some cases I might not be able to remember, so if I'm starting to click around and don't remember where this is, it will still show me this. So in cases where I don't remember the process fully, maybe complex processes, I'll be able to get the help I need during this test me anyway. This might actually be one of the best ways to be learning, going through the test me, getting correction, and in that way also learning. I'm just going to take this the rest of the way through the process so you can see the end result.
Click on the link in the grid cell, vendor account on any row. Click on the field vendor account. Click on the link. Click on the button, Finance and Operations.
Here you see at the end I will get the result of how well I did or how well I performed through this test me, and through the detailed evaluation I might decide to go back and learn a little bit more, or maybe I'm ready to go into the real live system. Without me doing anything else, ClickLearn also creates the ClickLearn Assist. The ClickLearn Assist will be able to guide me through the process and I'll be able to complete my task. Here you see the ClickLearn Assist starting up. Once I progress through my process, the ClickLearn Assist will progress with me. So that's all ClickLearn creates with just a single click.